you go, hmm.
So the other day I noticed this insect flying around the kitchen. At first I thought it might be a bee or a wasp because it looked a little bit larger than a fly. But I did manage to capture this insect, and as you can see, it looks like a fly. I thought it was a little bit weird because I've never seen a fly with these reddish orangey coloured eyes before. So I thought I'd do a little Google image reverse search and find out what type of fly this is. This is actually just a common housefly. Now I don't know about you guys, I've never seen a housefly with these colour eyes. I've asked a few friends, they're the same, they've never seen a housefly that has these colour eyes. Is this a Mandela effect? I thought, okay, well, let me do a little bit more research. I sort of started becoming curious, like, is there mutations of flies? How many different mutations are there? How many different breeds of houseflies there? Is there any more types of housefly that look different? As I started the research, I came across this article, Hijacking Houseflies to Monitor Disease Outbreaks. The recently published study also suggests that a fly's bacteria-carrying capability could be hijacked and used in a public health surveillance capacity to track pathogen outbreaks. What the fuck?
Things that make you go, hmm.